and display it on one television or projector screen. When I say HDMI source, I'm referring to things such as Blu-ray players, Apple TVs, cable boxes, Rokus, laptops, DirecTVs, basically anything with an HDMI output. This multi-viewer supports beautiful 4K resolution. It also passes through audio and has an audio extraction port. It also comes with an app for you to control it with an iPad, iPhone, Android, PC, or laptop. It even has an RS-232 and IP control port for you to integrate with control systems such as Crestron, Control4, Savant, URC, RTI, and Simple Control. We have most of these drivers available for free. Let's see what comes in the box. You'll see the multi-viewer, a remote control, a power supply, rack ears, and an IR extension cable that lets you extend the range of the remote control. Installation is incredibly easy. It shouldn't take you longer than 5 minutes to install everything if you already have your sources ready to go. Plug in your 9 HDMI sources into the 9 HDMI inputs. And by the way, you don't have to have 9 sources. All you need is one. Plug in the power supply to the power input. Plug in your television to the HDMI output. The next 2 steps are optional. You can plug in a headphone jack cable to send audio to external speakers or an external amplifier. You can also connect an Ethernet cable from this multi-viewer to your router to control the unit with an app. Now, let's take a look at the resolution button on the front of the multi-viewer. You want to set this resolution to match the TV that you're outputting to. The multi-viewer has a built-in scaler, so it will make sure that the output signal will match the resolution of your TV. Here you see all 9 sources playing at the same time. However, you have a ton of flexibility here. You can change the view to single screen, side by side, picture in picture, 4-screen view 1, 4-screen view 2, 4-screen view 3, and 4-screen view 4. When you're watching the 2-screen or 4-screen views, the multi-viewer will automatically display your first couple HDMI sources, but you can change that. You can swap out any of the windows to any of the other HDMI sources if you want. Let's go back to the 9-screen view. Right now, you're hearing the audio from HDMI source 1 out of the TV speakers, but we can easily change the audio to any of the other sources with a push of a button. Now let's take a quick look at the web app. You can access this app with any computer, laptop, Android, or Apple device. We're not going to bore you with all the details, but the web interface gives you full control over every aspect of the multi-viewer, including changing the view, assigning different sources to different windows, adjusting picture settings, changing the audio and volume, and also changing the IP address.